Instructions for the assembly of the rivet setter. Twist the bolt to release the screw. Remove the screw and bolt from the rivet setter. Place the handle in between setter. Push the screw through the holes and twist the bolt on to secure the handle in place. Adjust the top screw so that it is approximately 3 centimeters. The top screw determines how deep the rivets are set once the handle is pressed down. 3 centimeters is an approximate height for the screw. However, some adjusting may be necessary to achieve the correct setting, ensuring the rivet is not damaged. Adjust as required. Unpack the rivet die. Twist the screw on the top to release it from the setter. Place the die base into the hole and replace the screw so that it holds the die base tightly. Twist the die top into the setter. Clamp the rivet setter onto a sturdy surface. It is important to ensure that the setter is stable before setting rivets. Push the handle down to check the setter does not tip before you begin.